Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. Today I, Payal Guru, stand before you to take your short class from the subject English Grammar. So today I am going to teach you a very simple topic based on adjective. So we all know what is adjective because this topic we have been learning from class 1. But also if we want to know the definition, we can write it in a very simple way. Like what is adjective? Its simple definition we can write it as describing words. And what does it describe? It describes noun and pronoun. So we all know what is noun and pronoun. Noun, it is the name of a person, place, animal or thing, and pronoun, it is a word that is used in place of a noun. And if you want to know more about adjective, we can go through this example. For example, number 1, David is a clever boy. Over here, this David is noun and clever is adjective. So this word clever is describing David and it tells us what kind of boy is he. Number 2, Ria is a good girl. Over here, Ria is noun and good is adjective. So this word good is describing Ria and it is telling us what kind of girl is she. So these are the examples for noun. And the other example we can take it for pronoun. For example, they are brave boys. Over here we can see they. It is a pronoun and brave it is an adjective. So this word brave is describing them, or this brave is telling us what kind of quality do they have, and the quality is their braveness. Okay, so till now we have learned about adjective, its definition along with its meaning. So now let's talk about the types of adjective. So there are 6 types of adjectives. So number 1 is adjective of quality. So in a simple form, what does adjective of quality tell us? Adjective of quality tells us about what kind. For example, she is a beautiful girl. So over here, she is pronoun and beautiful is an adjective. So this beautiful is describing the quality that she has. And what kind of quality does she have? She has a beautiful quality. So number 2, we can write it as adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, we can write it as how much. And this adjective of quality, we write it for uncountable nouns. For example, there is some sugar in the jar. So by the use of this some, we can know how much of sugar is there in the jar. Number 3, we can write it as numbers of adjective. Numbers of adjective, we can write it as how many, and we use nouns. For example, there are 6 copies to be checked. Okay, so by the use of this number 6, we can make it out that how many copies are remaining to be checked. Okay, so let's continue. Till number 3 we have done. Now let's go for number 4. Number 4 we can write it as demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective we use to point out. And when we talk about demonstrative adjective, we use the words like this, that, these and those. This and that we use for singular form and to point out the near ones. And these and those we use for plural form. Plural form. This and these we use for near ones, and that, those we use for far ones. For example, that is my book. Number 5 we can write it as interrogative adjective. So interrogative adjective we use for asking questions. For example, where do you live? And the last one is number 6 we can write it as possessive adjective. And possessive adjective tells us about belongingness. Number 6 and the last one is possessive adjective. And what does possessive adjective tell us? Possessive adjective tells us about belongingness or ownership. For example, this is my book. So by the use of this my, we can see to whom does the book belong. This much for today. Hope all of you understood this short teaching. And I hope that during this lockdown, this short teaching helps you to get some knowledge based on adjective. So in the next class, I will be teaching you the comparison of adjectives.